Good morning, students. We are back with Friday's regular feature of Industrial University, that is Turning Point. And we almost wait, earnestly to listen from the Kerala leaders, their treasure of knowledge they bring forth every week. And this time we have Amit Jain, who is with Kerala as Senior Vice President, Vertical One H, branded, and he's going to speak on the topic mindset in achieving success. This mindset, reminds me of Plato's statement who said, thought is original. So it's all about thoughts first, which is original. Late are the words, action, and so on and so forth. So today we are going to listen from him on mindset in how it plays roles in achieving success. And for that, I invite Pradeep sir to set the context because we are expecting Abhinan sir to join anytime from now. Over
So,
to
good
Pradeep sir.
morning, all these students. I think I may not be able to fill the gap of Mr. Abhinand Pandya, but definitely I'll try to give the introduction and set the context of this. So, as it is said, we keep on meeting on every Friday. Now, Friday has become a very important day in our journey towards being a professional, because campus to corporate, I think this session is being very, very important to all of us. And we have listened to some great leaders in the past on various topics, even to the tune of how to decode the secrets of interview, which was real domain kind of thing for you. So again, I take a lot of pride when I say I'm a true Cadelian. I'm a proud Cadelian. और मैं क्यों बोलता हूँ, मैंने अभी मई में ज्वाइन किया, और ज्वाइन करने के बाद कैडिला मंथ आफ्टर मंथ इज राइटिंग अ न्यू स्टोरी, इट्स क्रिएटिंग हिस्ट्री मंथ आफ्टर मंथ. हर महीने कुछ ना कुछ हुआ. व्हेन देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ सैड सिचुएशंस वर अवेलेबल, जब बहुत खराब सिचुएशन सब जगह हम देख रहे थे, बट हमारे कैंपस में कुछ अलग ही माहौल था. हर महीने एवर हाई सेल, न्यू परफॉर्मेंस, कुछ नया, कुछ बढ़िया ये चल रहा था. So Cadilla's success was quite visible in the past few years, especially in the last year. And who was driving it? Obviously, Vertical One. So, being head of Vertical One, I think Mr. Amit Jain has driven the entire success of Cadilla and the single-handedly. Some of the month हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा confident हो गए थे, हम लोग बोलते थे अगर Vertical One हो गया तो मतलब पूरा Cadilla हो गया. मतलब सर हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा बाकी लोग आपस में डिस्कशन करते हैं कि व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ मैकफैम, व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ मैक्सिमा, मतलब डन. So now matter is over. And again, let's come back to the topic. So topic is a mindset. So as it is said, everything happens twice. Once in your mind, one actually happens in the real world. So इतना सब सक्सेस सिर्फ बातों से नहीं हुआ है, सिर्फ अचानक से नहीं हुआ है. इट इज़ नॉट बाय डिफॉल्ट. इसके पीछे बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क, बहुत सारा प्लानिंग, बहुत सारे स्लीपलेट नाइट्स. देयर पीपल हैव बर्न देयर मिडनाइट ऑयल्स टू अचीव दिस काइंड ऑफ सक्सेस. So why not to learn from them how they were able to do it and what was going in their mind and how they were able to do it. With this, I invite Mr. Amit Jain, the head of Vertical One, the proud Cadillian.
Thank you, Pradeep sir, for sharing, the background also that how Cadla is working, and that too, this is very valuable information when it comes to students that how the corporate functions. And it's truly, I mean, what rightly said, that how campus to corporate they are getting the exposure, which is actually USP of Industry University. And before I invite Amit sir, I invite. Julie Vagasia, she's MSc student, MSc Bioscience student, to officially introduce sir. Julie, you can unmute yourself. Yes, Julie.
Hello, ma'am. Can I
Yes.
start?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone, faculties and all the colleagues here. I'm Julie Vakasia of MSc Microbiology and Bioscience Department. So I'm here to present our honorable speaker, Mr. Amit Jain. Amit Jain is a marketing and sales professional with over 25 years of experience in the pharma industry, and his expertise spans sales and marketing, strategic thinking, analytical skills, strategic business planning, team management, brand building, and customer management. Also, he has created more than 200 potential leaders for handling various positions in pharma sales and marketing. Apart from that, Mr. Jain has nurtured fruitful association with goals across India to build a strong customer base for Cadila Pharmaceutical. And right now, he's Senior Vice President and Vertical One Head branded of Cadila Pharmaceuticals. And now I warmly welcome him to represent himself as a speaker. So, thank you.
Thank you, Julie, so much. Now it's over to Amit sir for
सर
his
एक
address.
रिक्वेस्ट मैं बच्चों की तरफ से करना चाहता हूँ सर कि बच्चों को अगर हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों बोलेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा.
Right, Pradeep.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, Pradeep sir,
Thank you,
for voicing on behalf of students.
So, good morning to all. And first of all, I like to thanks Mr. Pradeep for giving us this opportunity, and especially to all the professors and the Industrial University for allowing me to use their platform in sharing my experiences. And I'm grateful that we all are governed by our great leader, our chairman, Dr. Rajiv Modi. And I always say, because it is almost my 10th year is running in this great organization to work, and I have grown leaps and bounds over here. So I had a very good association, and my heart is there with Cadila Pharma. So all the students, I'm sure you, because I always believe that the young generation is quite smart, and they are much, much smarter than when we started actually, because we were having a very limited resources available. But I think the way the things has progressed last 25, 30 years, and I have witnessed to that, there's lots of changes are there. And I have seen that the children, right from the moment they are into the preparatory classes, they are becoming smart. So maybe your intelligence, I may not be able to match, but I am sure some of my experiences will help you to grow further in your career. So first of all, I congratulate all of you to be the part of the Industrial University, which is one of the best university has been rated. And I'm sure you are going to have a very good learnings when going forward. So you are all there in building your career. And I'm sure some of you must have experience in between of summer trainings and all, but may help you. So I have chosen a topic which is on mindset. And I thanks Dr. Namrata as well as Pradeep for really priming up that what mindset is and what it's actually, I think they have said very rightly, it's all about thoughts. I'll give you a small example. What a mindset is. When I was young, right, and doing my schoolings, I was having a difficulty into speaking English. And to be very honest with you, I was from a UP, especially from a very small place called Meerut, and we don't have that very good schools and colleges who are actually giving. But my father has decided, let him study into a convent school so that he can have some details available. So during that time, I was really facing a problem, and many of the times it was happening, my mind was getting consumed कि I will not be able to speak English. और मुझे लगता था कि शायद मैं बोल भी नहीं पाऊंगा, right? But then one of the mentor came to my life and he said कि why you are hesitating? Because if you'll start believing that you will not be able to do, you will never try and you will never do. Then he suggested me a very small methodology. He said, take out a newspaper, read it, and then practice it in front of the mirror. You will definitely get it. So it could be a small thing, but that has really changed. And I could start witnessing. And from there, I developed a belief that work has to happen. A work has to happen, whether I do or somebody else do. And this gives me a very strong belief right from my childhood career that if the things has to happen and somebody has to do it, why I can't do? And that is a main reason of my success in last 25 years of my career into the professional journey or personally. So मैं आपको फिर से बोलूँगा कि अगर काम को होना है, any work has to happen. So there is someone who is there to do that, right? And if somebody else can do, then you can also do. So with this, I begin to my presentation on the mindset, because mindset plays a very, very important role in achieving success. So let me go through some of the slides, and then maybe I'll share some of my practical experience to all of you, that what has actually helped me in building a mindset. I'm sure you all must have been knowing the definition of mindsets, right? And how important this mindset is to achieve success. This I'll try to cover. But I'm not going to talk a very high science, right? I'm going to talk a very simple English, small basic examples that, and I feel that if even it can help to change 1% your belief and your attitude, maybe having me today will solve my purpose. So your mindset is the most important factor in achieving your goals and dreams. So you have to work on it every day. Mindset, if you see your attitude, your behavior, your actions, your results, your performance, everything is getting governed by mindset only. And why mindset matters for your success? Let me tell you, if you think you can, you are right. But if you think you can't, then also you are right. And it all starts from our mind only. It all starts from our belief. It all starts from our mindset. If we think I can, yes, you can. If you start thinking you can't, you probably not. So it's very, very important to have a clear mindset that it is possible. I'm sure you know the word called impossible, and must have been taught many other times to all of you into all the management books. Even that word says, I am possible. So there is nothing in the world which is impossible. Actually, it is only your mindset which tells you whether it is possible or it is not possible. I came from the school, or I believe that everything is possible, and you have to really work hard to make it possible. And that is the reason the mindset matters most for the success. So a mindset refers to the person's world view and core assumptions, somewhat interchangeable with mentality. So it depends on you which side you wanted to adopt and what mindset you wanted to adopt. Can or can't, I'm possible or impossible. So there's a huge importance of mindset in our life. I'm sure you must be knowing about this story about elephants, right? I don't want to tell you about this story because I'm sure you must have read into several books. But if you see the mindset of elephant, it is not bound by rope, rather by its own belief. Because consistently it is happening that right from when it was a child, he has been tied with a rope, and initially he tried but could not break it. And when he grown bigger, then with the same rope, he feels that I'll not be able to break it. And that exactly I'm talking about a mindset. So we all form a mindset about ourselves that I may be good in doing this. मेरे को लगता है कि शायद मैं कर सकता हूँ, मेरे को लगेगा कि शायद मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ. And accordingly हम function करना start करते हैं. So my suggestions to all of you is that don't form that mindset that you will not be able to do. Always think how it can be, and that is going to be successful here. There are two types of mindset, two types of people are there, right, everywhere. One who are with fixed mindset and another is growth mindset. And I'll try to cover some definitions to all of you about what do I mean about the fixed mindset or do I mean about the growth mindset. But the picture down the line of a brain, you can see that any brain or is very stiff is actually more of a fixed mindset, but the brain which is keep on running, keep on exploring is more of a growth mindset. So what is your mindset? And I am like to share with you certain statements which. So to find out, I will request each one of you to start reading the following statements and decide which one you agree with the most. People have a certain amount of intelligence and there is not any way to change it. What do you mean? What do you believe? Where you do agree the most? No matter who you are, there is not much you can do to improve your basic abilities and personality. Particular talents or they don't. You can't just acquire talent for things like music, writing, art, or athletics. And I'm sure you must be hearing these statements in your day-to-day life, during your college, during your personal talks, and whenever you're meeting your friends. So I repeat these 5 statements. People have a certain amount of intelligence and there is not any way to change it. What type of mindset is? No matter who you are, there is not much you can do to improve your basic abilities and personality. That means कुछ भी हो आप, लेकिन आप बहुत ज़्यादा improve नहीं कर पाओगे अपनी basic abilities and personality. But there are certain beliefs that people are capable of changing who they are. You can learn new things and improve your intelligence. People either have a particular talent or they don't. You just acquire talent for things like music, writing, art, or athletics. Studying, working hard, and practicing new skills are all ways to develop new talents and abilities. And I'm sure your teachers, your professors must be teaching you all these things along with your classes. So if you tend to agree with the statement 1, 2, and 5, then probably you had a fixed mindset. Because if you feel that people have only a certain amount of intelligence and there's no any way to change, or no matter who you are, there's not much you can do to improve your basic abilities and personalities, and studying, working hard, and practicing new skills are all ways to develop new learns and abilities, probably you had a more fixed mindset. But if you agree with 3, 4, and 6, however, then you probably tend to have a growth mindset. And I'll cover that what do I mean by fixed mindset and growth mindset. So there are 2 types of mindset which I mentioned. The people with a fixed mindset, they had a belief that these qualities are inborn, fixed, and unchangeable. मैं जैसा हूं, मैं इससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता, या मेरे अंदर इतनी काबिलियत है, beyond this I can't go. But the people who with a growth mindset believe that these abilities can be developed and strengthened by the work, by way of commitment and hard work. So I think we all needs to have a growth mindset. We should start believing that all the abilities can be developed and strengthened to achieve our objectives. And that is going to play an important role in achieving any success. So in a fixed mindset, people believe their quality and attributes are fixed traits and therefore cannot change. They had a certain beliefs which is clearly telling them, no, nothing can be changed. Those in the fixed mindset believes there is no real way to improve their intelligence skills. I've been born with these qualities. I've been born with this intelligence, and my colleague, my friend, he's better than me. But rather than working to develop and improve, they often give up and they don't seek out new challenges. They always believe that talent alone leads to success and effort is largely irrelevant. I repeat, in a fixed mindset, people believe that their qualities and attributes are fixed and therefore they cannot do much to change it. बहुत ज़्यादा वो लोग कुछ चेंज नहीं कर सकते अपने बारे में, और जो उनको लगता है कि मेरे अंदर सिर्फ इतनी क्वालिटीज हैं और यही मेरे एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, which is very fixed in mind. But in a growth mindset, people possess an underlying belief that their learning and intelligence can grow with time and experience. So when people believe they can improve, they can acquire new skills with concentrated efforts, they put in extra work. And this leads to a feedback where additional efforts lead to skill acquisitions and achievements. And I'm sure when you're choosing to go for a higher studies, you all must be having a growth mindset. I should not limit myself to, I should acquire the newer skills, the newer qualifications, the newer technologies. So when it comes to fixed mindset, generally these are the thoughts goes into our mind. Failure is the limit of my abilities. We are very, very scared about failures. And generally, if somebody gets failed at the first, he doesn't try out. And that stops him. And there is a constant belief goes on that whether I'm good or I'm not. My abilities are unchanging. I cannot do. I don't like to be challenged. My potential is predetermined. And these are the people, when they get frustrated, they generally give up. They generally stick what they know. They don't want to explore more. But when it comes to growth mindset, they always look failure as an opportunity to grow. I can learn to do anything I want. Challenges help me to grow. My efforts and attitude determine my abilities. I'm inspired by the success of others, and I like to try new things. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will say that we always have to have a growth mindset. We should welcome failures, and we should never give up. We should always see that whatever challenges are coming up, there is a way, there is a process must be available to do the things. जैसे मैंने पहले बोला आपको कि I strongly believe कि work has to happen, और उसको करने के लिए कोई ना कोई तो process या procedure available है, और somebody has to do that. Somebody has to achieve the objective. Like suppose I am not there, so somebody else will come in my place and will do that work. And I believe that if the other guy can do, then I can also do. हो सकता है मुझे उसके लिए थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़े, हो सकता है मुझे उसके लिए थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा skills, knowledge acquire करना पड़े. But if I am ready to do that, I think I will be able to grow and I will be able to have a growth mindset. So what kind of mindset do you have? Fixed mindset, we have already mentioned, I'm either good at or I'm not. We have a very strong belief कि मैं अच्छा हूँ, ये चीजें तो मैं कर सकता हूँ, these are the things I cannot. So it is a fixed mindset. Failure is a limit. They don't want to try. And my abilities determine everything. If somebody else succeed, I always feel threatened. But when I had a growth mindset, I can learn anything I wanted to do. Failure is an opportunity to grow. And it always tells me I try hard. My effort and attitude determines everything. If you succeed, I will inspire. So can you change your mindset? So the people who are there with a fixed mindset, they might not agree that you can change your mindset. They will always say, no, it is not possible. But people with growth mindset are capable of changing their mindsets. For that, they have to really work hard. So again, I say, what can I say to myself? Please start saying that I am on a right track. I will use some of the strategies we learned. I can always improve, so I should keep on trying. Mistakes help me to learn. Priming your mind. Priming is a technique whereby you can expose to one stimulus influence a response to a subsequent stimulus. Like I'll give you an example. If you say the word yellow to someone and ask them to respond, generally what they do, related to yellow like banana, and that an unrelated word like computers. So you have primed the response by the introduction of yellow, and the respondent is much more likely to pick up something they associate with yellow as a result. What I mean to say is that you can prime your mind. You can prime yourself by saying, I can do that. And then your mind will start thinking that, yes, this is possible. So our mindset primes our mental state. The mindset you are in with influence the information you perceive, the feelings you take away, and your overall perception and memory of an experience. So I don't want to go much in theory onto this, but I like to mention that there are some key takeaways that you should always identify what is holding you back. You should take risk, which should lean into the uncertainty. Be bold, be vulnerable, own your value, connect with others and make it about them, and choose actions. So I'll give you some practical examples of last 25 years of my career, that why I could able to set a growth mindset and not a fixed mindset. Let me start. I started my career as a medical representative. I'm just stopping this presentation to take a few more slides a little later. So my aim was to go into the army, and I really worked hard to go into the army, right? All the GTO tests, all the sports activities, horse riding, firings, even I joined NCCs and all. But let me tell you, I have been through into all my written tests, the medicals, and even, but somehow in the last, there's something happened at the medical side and they have rejected me. I was very, very disappointed, and I started believing I can't do anything. And during that time, I was fully down, and I started believing that I don't have any capability. I don't think that I can ever be successful. और मुझे लगता था कि शायद मेरे पास अभी कुछ भी नहीं है करने के लिए, और मैं कभी लाइफ में कुछ कर नहीं पाऊंगा. but I met a friend who suggested, ki, my dear, if army is not there for you, then there must be something must be good waiting for you. I started realizing that I'm just 23 years old, and so I cannot waste my whole life by thinking that why I could not go to the army. So I started preparing myself and that how can I do better and what is there for me. And I started realizing that marketing is one thing where I can really do the success. And I joined a pharma industry. The reason for joining a pharma industry, because that was the most promising industry during that time and even till today. Because I realized that in our world, as the bacteria will grow, the medicines need will always be there. So this industry will never go down. And that was one thought which has actually brought me over here. So I decided to join as a medical representative. But जब मैं join किया as a medical rep, तो मैंने देखा बहुत competition है. Doctors के यहाँ पे बहुत सारा line लगा रहता है. And it was very, very difficult to meet a doctor and make him the top recall for your brands. So, and whenever I was seeking some interventions from my seniors or from my colleagues or from my friends, how I'll convert this doctor, everybody is saying, this doctor is going to take a time. ये तो 2-3 महीना तुम जब मिलोगे, 6 महीना जब तुम लगातार जाओगे, तो डॉक्टर लिखेगा, तब वो तुमको पहचानेगा. But I was into the growth mindset कि यार, I cannot wait for 6 months. तो मैं 6 महीना अगर मैं वेट करूंगा तो 6 महीने तक तो परफॉर्मेंस नहीं आएगा. So what I should do? Then I started thinking, let me work hard. And I'll give you a very small tip what I used to do. I used to call a doctor in the morning, used to do a proper detailing, proper sampling, right? All my products. And then in the evening, I used to go again to the same doctor, thinking that if I met him today, then there are the maximum chances of getting a prescription from him today. Otherwise, when I'll meet him next, then only a prescription will come. And generally it happens that the day you meet a doctor, you get a prescription from him for your brand. And if he doesn't write on that particular day, then you don't get a prescription for next month or next visit. So what I did, I gone some extra mile and started going in the evening. तो मैं शाम को दोबारा जाता था और बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता था मिलना, क्योंकि अटेंडेंट बोलता था आप मॉर्निंग में मिले हैं, डॉक्टर साहब शाम को नहीं मिलते. तो मैंने कुछ वर्ड्स फाइंड आउट करना शुरू किया कि अरे सर, डॉक्टर साहब ने ही बोला था कि कुछ मेडिसिन छोड़ना है उनके पास, या उन्होंने ये लिटरेचर मांगा था, या आई केम टू प्रेजेंट अ गिफ्ट टू हिम. और मैं शाम को बहुत प्यार से उस डॉक्टर के पास आधा घंटा वेट करने के बाद दोबारा मैं जाता था. एंड डॉक्टर यूज्ड टू से कि व्हाई यू केम अगेन. तो मैं उसको बोलता था, मैंने कहा सर मॉर्निंग में आपको इतने सारे लोग मिले हैं तो आप शायद भूल गए होंगे प्रोडक्ट्स. तो आई एम हियर टू रिमाइंड यू एंड टू से थैंक यू टू यू. एंड बिलीव मी, दैट एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट ऑफ माइन used to bring me a success in the first call rather than going for the second or third or waiting for the 6 months. So that has really helped me. We also used to cover lots of X-stations markets as a medical representative. And I'm talking about the basics, and then I'll come forward to that how I've grown into my journey. So same used to happen that in interiors, we used to go once in a month. And generally it takes 2 months to 3 months to develop a rapport. What I started doing, I used to go for a Monday, then I used to go Tuesday again to the same interior. The doctor used to say, "Arey, yesterday we have met." So I used to ask him, "Sir, you have not written my prescription, so I'm here again because you are important for me." And I used to make them realize, my dear, I'm here to get a success. And that has actually really helped me to do one of the fastest performance. I started my career 1.5 lakhs, and within 3 years, within that same headquarter, my base has grown to almost 18 lakh rupees. And that was always giving me a good appreciation, very strong image into the company. Whenever any new product used to get launched, I always believe, let me be top. So what I used to do, I used to go to my top customers and ask, sir, for first 5 days you write my product, then balance 5 days I'll take care from other doctors. And they used to write in first 5 days, and it used to get available, and I always used to be the topper. With only one thinking, if I will not do, then somebody else will come and do, because work has to happen. But And I always try to find out newer ways कि कैसे मैं कर सकता हूँ. And that has always helped me. There are many stories, like when I got elevated. So there was a problem that I was having certain people who were having some unionized minds and they were not ready to change. So there is one experience which has happened to me, that one of my colleague was almost double of my age and he was having a very fixed mindset, not ready to change. And his predecessors also could not change. Even my predecessors could not change him. And he was having a very strong belief that work has to happen this way only. So what I did, once a day I reach at his home in the morning on Sunday. So he opened the gate, and the moment he saw my face, "Arey sir, how come you are here?" I have come here to have a breakfast with you. So tell your wife that to prepare a breakfast and let's have a tea. And he was very scared that somebody from a management came to a person who is highly unionized, and he started selling, "Sir, please don't say to anybody else, right, that I came to your house." And he was having a fear that my image will get torn, that a manager has come to my place, right? So then I started asking him some questions. Then I started talking to him in his language. And then I started talking to him of getting aligned with him. And I realized that he got some setbacks in the past. And after that, he didn't try to change. But when I get engaged with him, with his family, with his children, I realized they were a very good family. And that was a very good turning point. And that person has become one of the best performer into the same area within a month itself. And that has brought me a good name into the organization, that this gentleman could able to change the person who was not able to changeable from last 20-25 years. He was almost at a verge of getting retired after 3-4 years. So when I've been given a large responsibilities, I always used to try to find out that what is there with the people, what kind of mindset the people are having. And I never try to change their mindset, but I always try to show the positive ways of doing the things. Whenever people comes to me and say, "Sir, I had a limited problems or I had a limited approach," I always used to suggest, can you go think that how can you do if you've been given this opportunity, and come back to me with 3 solutions, how you can do. So those 3 solutions, whenever a person was coming back, then only I was helping him to choose which one was the best. But that was his own. So generally, जब भी मेरे पास कोई आता है कि "Sir, I am stuck over here," I never give a solution to him immediately. I always ask him that there are ways available. So can you find out that how can you do? And I always ask them कि अच्छा, you go and give me 3 solutions the way you. और वो बंदा सोचता है कि अरे what a boss he is. I'm going for a solution for him and he's asking where I'm stuck. And now he's asking me to choose 3 solutions. So I'm sure he always used to curse me. But I always ask him, नहीं, मेरे को 3 solutions लेके आओ कि क्या हम कर सकते हैं. And then he used to come because boss ने बोला है तो लाना पड़ेगा, right? So he always used to come with 3. So then I tried him. I always help him to choose 1, and that he do because that is actually chosen by him, not being forced on him. So his fixed mindset is getting changed into a growth mindset by himself only. But I may appear as a mentor, and that's what your teachers and professors and your trainers do actually. So my suggestions to all of you is that your professors, your teachers are actually there for you to build your career, to build your personality, to build your mindset. Listen to them. They're always your well-wishers. There cannot be any trainer, any teacher who will think any wrong about you. So apart from your studies, when you're doing, I would request all of you to have a change in you. Start thinking that everything is possible. Everything can be changed. Everything can be done. The only thing is that how best you can deliver. When I was working in this organization, so I had worked for almost 15 years in one organization, that is Lupin, where I have grown from medical representative to area manager to regional manager to a zonal heads. And I was somehow started feeling that I can only work in Lupin. So a fixed mindset was started getting developed because I was getting cultured into the organization that I'm there for Lupin only and I will get retired from Lupin. But one day, some instances happened that my boss got changed, with whom I have grown for almost 10-15 years and was very comfortable. So suddenly a new beliefs, new process started happening, and that started hitting me, and somehow I didn't like the culture. And that time I was having two choices, whether to continue and to start changing, or should I change the organization? And I decided to come to Cadila Pharma. So I joined Cadila Pharma, and there I could see a totally new set of people, totally a new set of culture, totally a new way of doing the things. And when I met first our chairman, Dr. Rajiv Modi, so I find him that sir is very demanding, sir is always very pushing, and that has actually helped me to acquire more things. And आज मैं सोचता हूं कि अगर मैं ल्यूपिन में रह जाता तो शायद मैं जोनल हेड से मैक्सिमम जीएम लेवल पे रह जाता या डिवीजनल हेड के लेवल पे पहुंच जाता. But the learnings which I got in being in this organization, by meeting different people, by having the different culture, by working into the push, that has actually helped me. So I never stopped myself that this is not possible. And there are many instances, I will say, that where I've been put in, I've been made in charge. Like one, I will say that I've been asked to represent Cadila Pharma to DCGI office. I never did it in this my life, right? Because meeting a drug controller general of India, and that to be your representing Cadila Pharma, is something big achievement. Big. But before I was going there, I got a call from CMD sir and one of my president, and they have briefed me that what you are going to talk to the DCGI. And they said to me only one thing: you are not an employee, you are going there as an owner. Remember that. So I was very scared. I was preparing myself for the certain things and all, and I was scared that I'm going and meeting a DCGI of the country which is controlling, and his decision can impact and affect anything for the organization. But the confidence which is being reflected by our CMD and our president on me, that you can go and you can talk very freely, and when this empowerment has been given, that has changed my entire belief. And believe me, there were owners, there were presidents from different companies, but when I started making a presentation to DCGI, all were listening. And I was talking like an entrepreneur. I was talking like I am the only owner of this company. And I never thought that somebody can stop me. So, and this is one of the reasons that where I'm consistently trying, working on. I've almost got almost 4 positions in last 7-8 years, 9 years into this company. And I got this inspiration from my father also. Whenever I used to get elevated, I used to ask him, sir, Papa, what I should brought for you? Like what gift I should give? He always used to say, next promotion. So, and his words are very, very important for me, which always used to think me that what I should do best. And I always used to acquire a new set of learnings, new set of skills for me. So I'm a simple BSc graduate, not as smart as you people are. To be honest with you, I have studied in a very, very small place, right? But only one belief that everything is possible, and if somebody has to do, I can also do, has actually brought me to this level. And even today, I'm thinking the same way, that if target has to be achieved with a 25% growth or a 30% growth, if I will not do, somebody else will do. And then I start preparing myself, okay, how can we grow more than 25%, 30% as per the organization expectations? So keep on doing. And then priming up my team, aligning my team is actually helping me. So in nutshell, I will only say, my dear, to all of you, that don't have a fixed mindset. Don't think that I can do this, I cannot do this. Maybe if you're working in as an engineering student or a microbiology student, it doesn't mean that you cannot acquire the knowledge of all other departments. Yes, for time being, you have to have a very high skills, very high knowledge for your current stream, but definitely you can learn many other ways. So I'd like to give you one quote from Dale Carnegie. The most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed no hope at all. And generally, that is always a turning point for all the people. And this always comes from the mindset. that how my mindset is changing. So I repeat, most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have been kept on trying when there seemed no hope at all. So you never give up. That's the only thing I will say to all of you. Thank you for this. And now I think I can take some questions or can share my more experiences. I can talk more and more, but I know your time is also important. So if I summarize my today's talk, I will only say in few words that everybody mindset is very, very important, right? And it depends on you only, nobody else, neither on your teacher, neither on your trainer, neither on your colleague, that what type of mindset you like to develop amongst you. You can develop a fixed mindset by having, yes, this is only possible, right? Or you can always have a growth mindset by thinking, yes, there are ways available. How can I do that? And I should explore. So think every time that this is possible, everything is possible, I can do that. And I'm sure the same thing you can apply while doing your exams, while doing your professional courses, while even doing for your personal careers, right? Somebody is thinking that only my parents will allow only arranged marriage. No, I think if you start exploring, then you can always go for love marriages too. So I wish all the best to all of you. Please always have a growth mindset, and that will always help you to keep growing, right? Because we are into the professional worlds and we really have to do well. It's a huge competition which is going on. So with this, I think over back to Mr. Pradeep and Dr. Namrata.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. आई थिंक हमने बहुत सारा लीडरशिप के बारे में सुना, काफ़ी लोगों से सुना सर, बट इतना साधारण तरीके से किसी ने नहीं बताया. एक्चुअली आपने सारे प्रोसेस बताई दिए जो भी सिचुएशन लीडरशिप में हम पढ़ाते हैं या जो मैनेजमेंट बुक्स बोलती है. आइदर इट इज़ डेलीगेशन और इट इज़ कोचिंग और इट इज़ सेलिंग और टेलिंग. सो आपने बहुत आसानी से बता दिया सर वो सारी चीज़ें. तो कहाँ पे आपने डेलीगेशन यूज़ किया, कहाँ पे आपने कोचिंग यूज़ किया, कहाँ पे आपने सेलिंग यूज़ किया, कहाँ पे आपने टेलिंग यूज़ किया, आपने बहुत आसानी से बता दिया सर वो सब चीज़ें. सर अच्छा लगा सुन के सर. मैं भी एक्स लुपिनाइट ही हूँ सर. एक और बड़े आदमी है सर, आरसी जुनेजा.
I know Mr. Juneja. He is from my place only.
That's what I said, because you said Meerut, no sir? So it started from Meerut only. I was there as a MR at that time in Kanpur. So थोड़ा बहुत जानता था उस बारे में. बट सर कुछ चीज़ें अभी भी जानना चाहता हूँ मैं. जैसे आपने बोला पीपल मैनेजमेंट हैज़ बीन अ ग्रेट एसेट, क्योंकि लोग उसमें ही फॉल्ट करते हैं. ज़्यादातर लोगों से गलती लोगों को समझने में होती है. क्योंकि जब हम कंपनी बोलते हैं, जब हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बोलते हैं, तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मतलब इट्स नॉट ब्रिक एंड मोटर्स, इट इज़ अबाउट
Yes, it
पीपल,
is.
एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लोगों से कैसे डील करना है. तो 3-4 चीज़ें सर हम आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे कि कैसे इतना आसानी से डील करना है या कैसे लोगों को टास्क पे लगाना है, क्योंकि लोग रेजिस्ट करते
Now
हैं.
you can see your
मैं
board.
क्यों करूं?
Right. So thank you, Pradeep, for asking me this question. And I think this is one of my main job, because I'm into now this that level where decision making and people management is largely my role, and a little bit mentorship to the people. And it is very tough, to be honest with you, because when you are surrounded by such a large pool of intelligent people, and I always feel that everybody is smarter than me, everybody is intelligent than me. I'm not saying as a fixed mindset, but I feel yes, they are, and they should be. So there are two things. First thing, I always believe in people. I always feel that this person, if he has come for building his career, then he has something. So I always used to work on his strengths. So मैं कोशिश करता हूँ हमेशा ये समझने की कि इस बंदे की स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है. जैसे अगर मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है तो उसका कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रेंथ है क्या, या हार्ड वर्किंग स्ट्रेंथ है क्या, या रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग उसका स्ट्रेंथ है, या सेलिंग उसका स्ट्रेंथ है. कोई मैनेजर है तो उसका नॉलेज स्ट्रेंथ है क्या, या उसके एनालिटिकल स्किल्स स्ट्रेंथ है, या टीम कनेक्ट उसका स्ट्रेंथ है, या कोई अगर एचओडी लेवल पे काम कर रहा है तो आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू सी दैट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मेंटरशिप रोल, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ओवरऑल नॉलेज, या उसका विजन या उसका गोल क्या है, राइट. And by interacting people, so what I do first, I always used to devote time with people. मैं 10 मिनट बात करूंगा जरूर, चाहे 15 मिनट बात करूंगा. Even if I am in a hurry, then also I always used to give a time to the people, and I always used to listen to them. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि चलो आप पहले बोलो, 5-10 मिनट आप बताओ, आप क्या करते हो, कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हो, फैमिली क्या है, क्यों आप इस प्रोफेशन में आ गए, क्यों आप ज्वाइन किए, करना क्या चाहते हो. एंड दैट ऑलवेज हेल्प मी टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट अ पर्सन दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली ही इज लुकिंग. और वो मुझे ये भी बताता है कि is this person is having some block, some mindset, or is he really having a person who's of a growth mindset. And there my role stops. So what I do, I never believe in removing people. I always believe in correcting people. That is my biggest strength, and that is the reason the attrition is the lowest during my tenure. And in last 25 years, I think, except integrity, I have never removed people. I always believed that somebody who is working, maybe today he's successful, tomorrow he can be successful, but he has the ability to do. So I work on the strengths of the people. I try to understand what type of person he is and what is his aspirations. And then I try to align myself with his aspirations. And that always give me a good association. मतलब मैं उनको हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि you can reach out to me 24/7. And sometimes other than work also I used to talk, okay, what are your other aspirations? Which gives them very closer. And it's all relationship game. And I believe, I'll give you an example. And that comes from my daughter only. One day I remember I was passing through a road. It was the busiest road with lots of traffic. And my daughter was just 3 years old and she was holding my smallest finger, right? So I was very tensed by looking at the traffic left and right, and I was seeing that it was difficult to cross my road. But when I saw my child, my daughter, she was enjoying, she was smiling, and nothing was coming, or she was not having any stress at all of the traffic and all, right? I started realizing that if people will start trusting you and they start believing on you, then you will never have a problem, and I think they will get aligned. So this is one thing I always try to have a trust, and I always try to build a trust when managing people.
I was just
सॉरी सर, आई थिंक जबरदस्त इससे अच्छा एग्जांपल हो नहीं सकता था सर, कि अगर ट्रस्ट है और फेथ है, सो एज वी से इवन फेथ मूव्स माउंटेन्स. सर आपने जो बोला वर्किंग ऑन स्ट्रेंथ्स, सो आई थिंक मेरे को एक तुरंत स्टोरी याद आई हेलन केलर की. आई थिंक हेलन केलर वाज बोर्न ब्लाइंड, शी वाज नॉट एबल टू सी, and later on she even lost the ability to listen, and I am talking of 19th century. So at that time technology was not that developed. Then she decided to speak, but since her vocal cords were not trained, so she was not able to speak also. Now generally लोग क्या करेंगे, विदेशों में तो asylums होते हैं या इस तरह के rehabilitation centers होते हैं, तो उसको भेज देंगे, but उसने बोला मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. And she kept on working on the strength which she had. So जो बोल सकती थी, टच कर सकती थी या वो कर सकती थी, वहां से उसने स्टार्ट किया. एंड शी वाज द फर्स्ट ब्लाइंड ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम यूरोप. और उसके बाद ना सिर्फ उसने अपनी लाइफ को बनाया, बल्कि उसने दुनिया के लिए सबसे बड़ा फंड रेजिंग उस समय के लिए किया था फ्रॉम द ब्लाइंड पीपल. उसने बोला इनको आपकी दया की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको इनके आप सपोर्ट की जरूरत नहीं है, वो खुद से कर सकते हैं. तो शी गिव दिस वंडरफुल लाइंस, वर्क ऑन योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, नेवर ऑन योर वीकनेस. So I am also a firm believer of this, ki work on your strengths, not on the weakness. If organization has hired me, it is all because of my strengths. अगर कैडिला ने मुझको मौका दिया, it's because of my strength, not because of my weakness. Weakness will be taken care in the subsequent times. But मैं मेरी strength की वजह से आया हूँ, आप आपकी strength की वजह से इस organization में आए हैं, तो let me work on my strength. So मैं भी लड़कों से वो निकालता हूँ training sessions में कि आपकी strengths क्या हैं और उस पर आप कैसे काम कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक वंडरफुली क्राफ्टेड बाय यू, कि वो छोटे बच्चे का एग्जांपल शायद मेरे को हमेशा याद रहेगा सर. और वो मैं हमेशा कुछ मतलब विदाउट ए परमिशन योर पेटेंट विल लाइक टू यूज इन सम ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम ऑफ मी सर. इट वाज वंडरफुल दिस थिंग. फिर से सर मैं एक सवाल जरूर पूछूंगा सर, अगर आपके पास 2-4 मिनट का समय है.
वी कैन.
अगेन सर, जैसे आपने बोला कि फियर ऑफ फेलियर एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है. आई थिंक वो फियर ऑफ फेलियर की वजह से लोग ट्राई नहीं करते. सो कि पता नहीं, या एक होता है कि पब्लिक स्टिग्मा कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे इस बारे में, इस वजह से भी लोग नई चीजें ट्राई नहीं करते हैं, या हमारे बारे में या इस चीज के बारे में लोग क्या सोचते हैं. तो सर इनके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, या आपने क्या किया था?
So Pradeep, I'll give you a live example in Cadila Pharma, right? One day, one task has been assigned to me, right? And to be honest with you, I've tried, but somehow मैं उतना ज्यादा उसमें ना टाइम डिवोट नहीं कर पाया और वो टास्क अचीव नहीं हुआ, एंड देयर वाज अ लॉस आल्सो हैपेंड टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, राइट। मतलब मुझे लगता है कि शायद कुछ 4-5 लाख रुपीस का लॉस ही किया होगा कंपनी के लिए, वो कुछ फायदा नहीं किया। क्यों? somehow ये था कि वो टाइम पे काम होना चाहिए था, but somehow I got engaged in other part. And I will talk on failure also, but I am trying to give you this example over here. So what has happened? I was having a meeting with our CMD, right? And he asked me that why it has not happened. I honestly told कि sir, sorry I could not do. मैं कर ही नहीं पाया sir, और मतलब मैं टाइम नहीं डिवोट कर पाया। I was expecting lots of firing from him. He will fire me like anything कि that आपने 4-5 लाख रुपीस का नुकसान कर दिया और आपको हम लोगों ने टास्क असाइन किया था, क्यों नहीं किया आपने? But he said, can you do it now? And that was one of the very strong point which has come to me, that if I've been driven, this organization is getting driven by such a great leader, that if you are true, honest to him, and then whatever failures you are having, and he's again having a confidence in you. So that is the first thing has started building on me. Before that, I always used to be scared about the failures. Second thing is कि whenever we used to fail, or it has happened that there are many instances I can share with you, but एक instance मैं आपको live share करता हूँ कि where we could not be thorough. There is one product which is roflumilast, right? It is largely for asthma and COPD, and that product was a new launch for Cadila Pharma, and the decision was to be taken by me only, that whether I should go for a launch or I should not go for a launch. So we were about almost 2 months late compared to many other companies. But initially, what the theories were coming about that drug launch, everybody was saying that it is a promising drug which is going to stay for a longer duration, will do well, right? And those things were there in my mind. So I decided to launch that product so that we can do well as a into chest. And I was feeling the need कि COPD और अस्थमा तो बहुत कॉमन है, एक्सर्बेशन बहुत कॉमन रहता है, तो ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा चलेगा. We had given a very good brand name, everything, good launch, everything has been done. But by the time we reach into the market, doctors started realizing that this product is not worth. And now you can understand that almost 40-50 lakh rupees decision was there at my level, right? That was one of the failure which I accept has happened because of, I can say that a time delay, or I could say that not a much research being done by us. But again, I say that when I have shared this with my seniors and accepted, sir, it is not that I have failed. It is something which is related to the drug, and I accept. So but after that, it was not that I have been stopped myself not to try for the new launches. There are many new launches we did after that, and we became successful. But that gives me a learning that if failure is happening, then I think you need to prepare yourself and identify that what are the reasons why you failed. And if you able to identify those reasons why you actually failed, then I think you will be achieving a success in your next venture. But I never given up. I always feel कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, फेल हो गए तो कोई नहीं, डांट खा लेंगे थोड़ा, बट लेकिन अभी बंद नहीं करेंगे करना. तो मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ कि नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा डांट मिलेगा, राइट, थोड़ा फायरिंग होगा, बट ठीक है, लेकिन नेक्स्ट भी हम जरूर करेंगे. तो I was keep on trying, and that is the reason I will say that we have got one of the best launches, right? Even during COVID time, we launched Sepsivac. We could be able to build around 20 crore brand within a span of 7-8 months, and that product is really doing good. And there are many success stories. So I believe that whenever you come across with such things, failure, don't get scared, because failures are a part of life and it's bound to happen. The only thing I will say is that have a learning from the failures, and so that you can prevent those gaps when you are planning next. But don't give up and keep on trying. That's important. Thank you.
Thank you, Pradeep sir.
Yeah, actually, sir, मेरे को यहाँ से APJ अब्दुल कलाम का लाइफ यहाँ से रिलेट कर सकता हूँ मैं. जैसे आपने बोला सर कि ही वांटेड टू बी अ पायलट, और बहुत गरीब घर से थे, मतलब शायद 2 वक्त खाना भी नहीं मिलता होगा। सुबह घर 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 न्यूज़पेपर जाके डाला करते थे। ही वाज अ न्यूज़पेपर हॉकर, बहुत ही गरीब घर से थे। उसके बाद ही वांटेड टू बिकम एयर फोर्स पायलट, रिजेक्ट हो गए। अच्छा ही हुआ रिजेक्ट हो गए, अगर वो सिलेक्ट हो गए होते तो हमने इतना बड़ा एक साइंटिस्ट खो दिया होता। आज जो मिसाइल टेक्नोलॉजी में हमारे पास एज है, या जो आज हमारे पास डीआरडीओ में एज है, आई थिंक शायद उनकी वजह से ही है। अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर फास्ट बॉलर बन गया होता, जो उसका ड्रीम था, जिसके लिए वो गया था हमारा पेस फाउंडेशन, तो शायद आज हमको इतना वर्ल्ड क्लास बैट्समैन देखने को नहीं मिलता। कई बार हमको लगता है हमारे रिजेक्शन भी हमारे अच्छे के लिए ही होते हैं, but then I have to convert those wounds into my wisdom. I have to take learnings from them, as you rightly said, and next time जैसे लोग बोलते हैं कि नई गलती करो, वो गलती दोबारा मत करो। So rightly you have said, sir. Namrata ji, you want to say something?
थैंक यू।
Yeah.
थैंक यू प्रदीप सर। आप जब ये क्वेश्चंस करते हैं तो बहुत चीजें खुलती हैं, और जो हमारे कैडला लीडर्स हैं वो अपना जो ऑनेस्टली जो अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं वो किसी किताबों में नहीं मिलेगा। इट इज नॉट परचेज्ड, इट इज ट्रू लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस, एंड द ऑनेस्टी, द डेडिकेशन and the trust they talk about the management have on them, these are actually learning lessons that how confidence can be built up। और जैसा कि आपने बताया कि वो फेलियर्स की बात बताई, तो एवरी टाइम यू फेल यू राइज, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। हालांकि अभी हम उस सिचुएशन में नहीं है तो सुनना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन जब फेलियर्स होता है तो उसमें इमोशन इतने ओवर पावरिंग हो जाते हैं कि यू एक्चुअली गिव अप। सो ये एक बहुत अच्छा आपने जो अपना बताया सर, कि इतना नुकसान होने के बाद भी एक आपने न्यू लॉन्च प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने में आपने कभी हेजिटेशन नहीं दिखाई। सो दैट इज व्हाट इज द सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस and the support from the management is required, which actually continues the growth path। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, मेरा
Yes,
ये जी सर। और आपने सबसे अच्छा सर ये बताया कि मुझे स्टार्टिंग लाइन बड़ी अच्छी अपीलिंग लगी कि इफ यू थिंक यू कैन यू आर राइट, एंड इफ यू थिंक यू कांट स्टिल यू आर राइट। सो ये एक चीज बहुत ही अच्छी, वो अपने ऊपर ही सब कुछ है, तो वो स्टार्टिंग मुझसे होती है और मुझ में ही खत्म होती है। तो देयर इज नथिंग आउटसाइड यू फॉर योर सक्सेस। सो आप जो माइंडसेट बता रहे हैं, इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अस। दूसरा क्या सोचता है दैट इज डिफरेंट, पर मैं क्या सोचता हूँ अपने।
true, ma'am.
और एक चीज बहुत अच्छी लगी कि आपने एक स्मॉल वे ऑफ मेजरिंग सेल्फ असेसमेंट करवाया कि आपका जो माइंडसेट है वो कैसा है। फिक्स माइंडसेट है कि आपका जो है ग्रोथ माइंडसेट है। तो उसके लिए जो आपने 4-5-6 क्वेश्चंस आपने बताए कि 1 2 3 करेंगे तो इट गिव्स यू द रिजल्ट दिस, एंड इफ यू सेलेक्ट 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 6, मतलब आपका कैसा माइंडसेट है। तो आप खुद ही असेसमेंट कर रहे हो अपना, कोई आपको बाहर वाला नहीं कर रहा है। तो ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि लोग दूसरे हमको कोई जज करते तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है, लेकिन हम अब खुद अपना सेल्फ असेसमेंट करें तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा होता है। So I really liked, sir, a lot of freshness, a lot of novelty is brought every time I attend, this Turning Point webinar with each Cadila leader. And today it was very much apt to the topic that is mindset. And that was the centering around, the students also who are actually on the verge of, starting their journey in the corporate, especially जो final years में है हमारे, या जो आने वाले हैं, तो उनको भी कैसे अपना पूरा ग्रोथ चार्ट जो है पहले से ही बनाना चालू कर दें, तो आई थिंक बहुत स्मूथ उनकी जर्नी हो जाएगी। तो थैंक यू सो मच सर।
डॉक्टर नम्रता जी, आई थिंक जो सर ने बोला उसमें बहुत बड़ी बड़ी पोएट्रीज लिखी गई हैं। तो सूनर और लेटर इट्स नॉट द फास्टर और द स्ट्रॉन्गर मैन हु विंस, इट्स द मैन हु विंस इज द मैन हु थिंक्स ही कैन।
यस,
सो
सर।
सर ने उसको
बहुत अच्छी
सरल
पोएट्री
तरीके से
आपने
बोल
बताई।
दिया, वो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी उसमें पोएट्रीज लिखी गई है, बहुत
बहुत
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इशू है।
जी,
थैंक यू सो
बहुत
मच सर,
सरसता,
इट वाज
बहुत सहजता, बहुत सरलता से बताया सर। थैंक यू
Yeah.
सो मच प्रदीप
एंड
सर
सर
को मैं।
अगेन आई रिक्वेस्ट कि जो आपका प्रेजेंटेशन था तो इसको पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में दे देंगे, तो आई विल
जी
फॉरवर्ड इट टू द
Right,
स्टूडेंट्स, दिस
I'll
विल
do
जी
हेल्प
that.
सर,
देम एज अ रेडी
जी
रेकनर,
सर।
वो हमेशा उसको यूज कर पाएंगे।
मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स अमित सर को बोलना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि प्रदीप सर ने बोला कि उनका फ्लाइट भी है और उसके बावजूद उन्होंने ऐसा स्क्वीज करके टाइम हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, हमारे लिए आप लेके आए, तो ये बहुत एक कमेंडेबल है। वी सैल्यूट यू सर। और आप भले मिलिट्री में ज्वाइन नहीं किए, लेकिन मिलिट्री रेजिम आपने अपने जिंदगी में ढाली रही, तो शायद उसका भी एक कारण है जो ये आज इस मुकाम पे आप पहुंचे हैं, और अब और आगे जाएंगे और हमारे सीएमडी सर भी बहुत विजनरी हैं, तो ही नोज कि कौन हमारे इसमें कितना टैलेंट है किस एम्प्लॉय में, तो ये सब चीजें बहुत अच्छा हमें लगा। और अभी मैं इनवाइट करूंगी हमारे स्टूडेंट को शिप्रा पांडे, जो ज्वाइन हुई है हरिंद्र सर के वीडियो के थ्रू। शिप्रा, कैन वी हियर यू?
Yes, ma'am.
प्लीज।
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, respected Amit sir and all the respected faculty members and the students. Myself, Shipra Pandey from MSc Microbiology is here to propose the vote of thanks. Firstly, I would like to thank Amit Jain sir on behalf of all the students and Industrial University for giving the precious time from his busy schedule and guiding us in a unique way. I would also like to thank Industrial University and all the faculty members for lending us this opportunity to learn from such a great personality. Thank you, Amit sir, for making us understand the real meaning of success by highlighting the major things such as, if we think we can, we are right. As sir said, growth mindset should be always in the active mindset and we should try to learn new things. Sir will surely implement this, that our mindset should be in the growth mindset pattern and we should always be open to learn new things and grow. Thank you, sir, for these life lessons. Thank you.
Thank you very much to everybody, and it was really a pleasure to be a part of this wonderful program. And I must say that we will all be organizing along with our people also shortly. So thank you, Dr. Namrata. Thank you, Mr. Pradeep, for really giving this opportunity and this platform. I hope
thank you
if
so
I could
much.
bring even
Sir?
1% change, possibly it could have helped. And I always feel that anything, any experience can be shared. Maybe it will always be helpful. Thank you.
सर बूंद बूंद करके घड़ा भर रहा है एवरी टाइम द लीडर्स कम। ये बहुत अच्छा हमारे स्टूडेंट्स में वो जा रहा है। यू नेवर नो कि वो कब भर जाएगा और कब वो इस तरीके से जो ग्रो होगा, तो हमें पता पड़ेगा, उसकी ऑफशूट जो है पता पड़ेगी। डेफिनेटली इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क सर, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी इन वेन। एंड सेकेंडली सर, जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो काफी ग्रुप में बैठ के कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि नेट का इश्यू है, तो किसी एक की मोबाइल में भी 6 लोग बैठे हुए हैं। सो वी कैनॉट कैलकुलेट एंड count by numbers. The numbers are huge, and I really enjoyed this session, which actually differentiated between fixed mindset and growth mindset, and it has gone very well with the students. I'm very sure about that. Over to Pradeep sir. He wants
Thank you so much, sir, for your time, especially you were able to give the attention you have given to us, your energy you have given to us, and the important time, because today is 26, and sir know how important day it is, because within 2 days we'll close our sales. So it is very critical time, and that time you are able to give 1 hour. It is, thank you so much for this, sir.
And I want to add something, that actually we were supposed to be connected with our deans, Dr. Bharti Dave and Dr. Amish Vyas, but due to strategic meeting going on with CMD sir, as well Abhinand sir, who is always there and who is instrumental in bringing this into realization, perhaps he's not here. So I thank on their behalf as well, and thank you everyone. Pradeep sir, Amit sir, once again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhavesh sir.